Alright, and so it's super late. It's about 9:30 p.m. But I have the camera on me, so we're gonna go look for another spot to take a picture. I made a new Instagram account for just photos in particular. I'm trying to do like as much unedited stuff as I can, see what I can do with lighting. But it's called gloom.shots. Right now, well, when I made this video, there's one picture on there, but I'm trying to upload a picture a day. We'll see, like, trying to aim for like nighttime ambient type pictures. We're just using my car for now. The goal is to get my car in like downtown Napa and see if we can get a picture. Hopefully, like someone walking to it. That's the goal, is to get someone to walk to the car. Yeah. Other than that, I'll let you guys know if I see anything on the way, or if I find anything cool. If I see anything cool on the way, or find a cool spot or somewhere in between. I'll talk to y'all soon. So right now there's a S2000 Type S, the CS one, just chilling right there. That's pretty cool. You never see those. It's got some oxidation, but the fact that he has a running S2000 is sick. That thing is sick. Those cars are so good. It's got some RPF ones on it. Alright, so the lighting on this church is actually pretty good. I'm trying to get it with the mural up there. I'm trying to get someone to walk by it. That's the goal. Fortunately, I didn't get anyone to walk by it, but it took about 120 pictures, so we'll find one that works good for it. Yeah, we'll update you with anything else that happens that's new. There's a spot that has like this blue light that I'm going to use the blue underglow in my car to look good. So now we're at the second spot. The lighting for that, might have to move the car a little bit further. But we can figure out something. Give me 1 second. Yeah, we'll try this one out. Yeah, we're making a free promo for AT&T today. All right, so we've got about like 4 different sets of pictures, so this will be cool, huh? Like the lighting stuff. Hopefully the red shows up. Like I gotta get the lighting better for these things, but so yeah, this is a good picture. This is a good spot. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later if I get another update. But thanks again for hanging this long with me. Appreciate it. And on that note, guys, we have finished. We made it back. We got some little snacks too and drinks. But yeah, thanks again for watching. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. And let me know how you like these. I know the last video we made it was about car stuff, but let me know how you guys like this content. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, so today we're going to be going to Sacramento area, and it's to support our friend Sky, who you've seen in many vlogs before, but it is his birthday, and he's in Sacramento. Not too far of a drive for us, and there's a couple meets there, so we're gonna be hanging out with him for a bit. Yeah, it should be good. Should be fun. We've been there before for Cars and Coffee. They have some great turnouts, but I've never been there for a night meet, so we'll see how that looks. But without further ado, let's get that cold start in. Always a good sound. Best sound. All right, I'll talk to you soon. And like normal, Touchless Car Wash. Subscribe to Touchless Car Washes if you get the chance to save yourself the trouble. Yeah. Oh yeah, new haircut. It's down right now, but this line goes my eyebrow, and then stuff right here too. Let me know what y'all think. We're in Davis. There's an M Performance. Right there. And behind me, there's like a sick ass BRZ. That thing's sick. The wing on it is dope. And we're about to go through an underpass, so we'll see like what stuff happens. Dude, that thing's sick. Dude, that wing is dope. So there's this Ford Focus ST. It says Blue Bean on the back. I have a feeling they're gonna be at the meet. Just chat, remember this car. Just kidding, they're going right. Maybe they're meeting up people. Just remember that car. I have a feeling we're gonna bump into that car later. So yeah, I have a strong feeling. Bill Murray, shout out Bill Murray, not a cashew. Dude, Bill Murray, you're the GOAT. Looks like we made it to the meet. A bunch of cars that are already here throughout the parking lot. There's some that are behind us as well. We'll see where they're actually. Oh, they're actually cops chilling too. It's fun over already. Okay. I'm not sure where everyone's parking at, but we'll figure that out. Looks like somebody's already got a chase. We got a right-hand JDM chaser. Blackbird. The scariest fun amount of 500 horsepower you can have. No track control. But who needs it? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Come on. I feel like ABS is just there, like it says it's there.
Just all skill.
Yeah. Do my favorite. Just pull it out just to sell it. Hey, we're selling this.
Yeah, so
That's sick though.
it's not just for hard day. That they would be a lot of tickets.
Hey, Shelby, GT500 too? Later, man. Oh, are you guys going over there? All right, well, I guess we're gonna go over there. All right, I'll follow you. Dude, this thing's sick, man. You never see this frame too, so yeah. That means you're taking care of it. Good job. You can hear the supercharger. It's crying. That's good tears. It's good cries. Dude, a clown shoe. What the fuck? There's so many sick cars. There's a homie. More cars. Fellow N. Got some bags. I like to call it parking lot turbo. Fitment. What are you doing over there, man? You know, like that KDM engineering?
Yes.
So the red ones are sick because they come with gold, silver accents. That's why these ones are a little better. You guys get the option to get the red one, and you still get the black accents, and it matches this. See, mine looks like shit. It's like 4 different colors.
I like it. I think the black is clean.
Yeah. Well, it's because I tinted the headlights. That's why. If I didn't do that, it would look like ass.
Oh, those two trucks. There he is. That's
Of course.
What's it called? My friend has them, and he never used them.
Yeah. So I'm Marcus. Nice to meet you. I'm the other end. This guy. That's 370Zs, DAGs, 350Z. This ain't lasting that long. 370Z.
I don't know, honestly. I have no idea how to use them.
You said Bluetooth. You Bluetooth them, and then you're good to go.
No, I connected them, but that was it.
Yeah. Yeah. You gotta do that. Dude, Toxic Hawk's fire, man. Press it on. If the Trackhawk's leaving, maybe that's usually your sign. If a Trackhawk's leaving, you're like, okay, it's time to go. Yeah. Yeah.
Coming back, baby girl.
All right, so our story is we came for Hobby Lobby. We wanted to get some yarn, but they were closed. All right, and we're like, fuck. Yeah. Yeah. FC. The FC's clean. Wherever you guys want to walk, come down. I just saw the FC. Like a working FC is like crazy.
Up in my 400, bro. I was like, I don't gotta go.
What's that stinger?
Did you see the bed? Not the bed. Earlier?
Which one?
There's a pipe right here.
Yeah, the blue one, right? Yeah, I was hanging out with them on that side. They had a Jenny. They're right by our cars. Fuck. That sounds about right. That's about right. You look at the car and you're like, makes sense. Big Jenny. Yeah, that's good, man. There's an H1 Hummer. There's a fucking H1 Hummer. What the? Dude, we're going to H1 Hummer. Hey, beautiful FC. It's good. America. I know, right? Fucking America. Goddamn Charlie in the trees. This thing is sick. Gets like 27 feet to the gallon. Dude, this is so sick. Of all the cars, we're about to die. We're about to die. Dude, this thing is sick, man. And he actually takes care of it. Look how fucking polished that is. This shit's clean.
I've never seen one of these. Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And there's a pink Chevy next to the mean green H1 Hummer. Dude, This thing is so fucking sick. This makes I drank a Black Rifle coffee like an hour ago. This makes it hit so much harder. My Black Rifle coffee hit so much harder than I saw this Hummer. I like the picture. I like the Wile E. Coyote.
I like
dude.
what he did.
Yeah.
This is like, I've never seen one of these in this good of condition.
I've never seen one like out without like a, you know, like
Someone
Marine or something sitting outside of it with a fucking chain, like a saw.
Something's wrong.
All right, figure out which car's making that noise. If you guess Mustang, you're right. you're correct if you guess Mustang. Let's do this, guys.
Right.
Look at this Fox body too.
That is sick. With the little light, that's so fire. Oh my god.
I'm a Ford guy.
Well, I mean, it's his work light, but still, I'd be carrying that too.
Oh, I love that.
Look at all the space you have to work in here. His electrical is lights, and his AC, that's his electrical. Everything. You got fitment going. It's got a roll cage bar. It's completely shaved inside. This is beautiful, man. This is sick. Yeah. This is like dream car. All right, we'll find the next car. The Fox body, which is cool, but that's just Sacramento. Scat pack over there. VQs lined up. Acura TLX, GR86. Trying to see if there's anything else that like stands out. VQ there. Another VQ, two VQs lined up back to back. Okay. Little EG hatch. Let's go check this out. This is actually sick. All right, let's go check out the. Got a couple Mustangs here as well. 5.0, 5.0. Dude, this thing is. I just saw this. This thing is stanced. This you? On air, right? Yeah. Yeah. This is.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, it looks sick, man. I was like, this thing looks stealth as fuck. Yeah. Those are sick too, man. I'm a fan of static myself. I like fitment because I track a lot.
Yeah.
You can track with bags, but
I was gonna get KW,
Yeah.
which is like meant for.
see the DRLs, the blue and yellow. It's sick.
It's supposed to be solid, but
Yeah.
I'm working downtown, so I'm like, I need that.
Yeah. Well, that's sick, man. It looks good.
Thank you.
They both look good. And you're not doing burnouts and two steps like the other guys are right now. It's appreciated. Yeah. We're not doing that. Oh, dude, XM. This XM5. These things are fast. Sorry, these things are quick. I already know. Like these are like the hidden gem. My friend has one. He has he put low boost on it for his one of his maps. He still gets like 540 wheel horsepower, and you guys can get like 750 off the lot or some shit. It's crazy. Yeah. Don't race those SUVs. If you see those SUVs, go the other way. They're loud, they're fast, they have really crazy handling. Loud. got slingshots over here. What the hell? Hold on. It's a clean RSX too. RSX. Sky Active, all-wheel drive system. See that? Yeah, we got the slingshots over there. I thought there was something crazy. If I would have got hit by an RSX, I would have been so sad. I think I have the best underglow though. Good. You guys see that? The colors on that is so sick. And we got a DA4. That's some cool ass cars. Lots of questionable. All right, I think that's what we got. We got everything that we can see so far over here. Bike set now. I think it's gonna be everything. I think it's gonna be everything for now.
He walked around. I needed to come back without his jacket.
That's gonna be it for now. If we do have anything else that comes up, we'll update the vlog. For now. That's got back as a kid. I thought the other.
Sitting in this comfort in my work has got me fucked up.
Slow down.
Swear to God, I'm about to lose my mind and hit the
Hold down.
Work and go to sleep, wake up, repeat, that's how it
Goes now.
8 p.m. or something, I don't know, this town's a joke. Got some cantaloupes and natural calm, I think I'll be alright. I'll write a section for my blessings, what I got and what I don't. Should probably lay down, close my eyes around 11, probably won't. Cause I stress too much, like I'm obsessed with it. I swear anxiety's my bitch and I'ma undress it. Or maybe address it, fuck it, I talk about it too much. Summer went by way too quick, 2 days turned into 2 months. It's hot as fucking September, pounding in my left temple. Cause this bed sucks, I would probably give my left nut to be stress free. On an island in the sea, on a jet ski with a breeze flowing through my teeth. On a beach, sipping tea under the trees. Sometimes I think about what if and I forget about what isn't. I swear it's like I'm locked inside my mind in a prison. I'ma shine, I don't give a shit, I'll just learn to deal with it. This room is cold and dark and man, I really just ain't feeling it. But Call of Duty helps me pass the time until I get back. If you're trying to 1v1, you probably need to sit back. Who I used to be, carefree, man, I miss that. Shout out to my past, current me, here's a diss track. Fuck you stupid panic disorder, you hypochondriac. Life is too short to be missing out. I used to smoke and laugh after work, sitting in my car to the sunlight, rolling up to hit the Xbox, feeling alright. Yeah, shoot for the stars, right? How can I reach them when gravity just hits me broadside? Fuck it, I'm diving into the summit. Maybe I'll make it through and say it wasn't so bad, was it? So I thought about a hook, but I said fuck it, I'ma write it out. Good job, good friends, tell me what's to cry about. Copenhagen on my mind, I guess I'm about to give in. That shit been with me every single lyric that I've written. I guess it's a part of me, yes, it's a problem. It's a battle with some demons, man, I wonder how I got them. I've been at the bottom, I've been full throttle. Need to slow it down a little bit, Ferrari to me out of this office that I'm sitting in, a home away from home. No, I in team, but I would rather sit alone and daydream of what happens when you up and leave your castle to another country. But I wonder, is it worth the hassle? It wasn't, maybe it was, yeah, I don't know exactly. I was searching for some artificial things to make me happy, but I'm glad I did it. I found peace for a minute, I've been feeling empty, yeah, but fuck it, I'ma keep living.